Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another daily clean with me. So get your favorite coffee cup and let's get started.
You've stayed away, oh I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud.
So I've been really down in the dumps lately, and my sweet husband got me this shirt to cheer me up. He knows flowers ain't gonna do anything, so and yes, he got me that personalized Mother of Dragons tumbler too, but that was his gift from Mother's Day. It's hands down my favorite cup now. Anyways, yeah, I'm sorry, I really needed to show you guys my new shirt. If you're a 90s kid like me, then you know Hey Arnold was the best kids cartoon like ever, and now my kids are absolutely obsessed with it, and you know, just rewatching it again on Hulu just made me re-love it again, and I'm like almost 30 years old, so yeah, if you haven't watched it, go on Hulu and watch it right now. I'm not going to do much of a voiceover in this video, so sit back and relax and yeah, just listen to the music.
I don't know why I still got your shirt. It's like time flies, but it still hurts. Oh, you're moving on, I know by your tone, while I'm moving backwards. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much, got a policy. Didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me, if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me.
it. It woke up my parents. You did it all just to help me. And
don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose.
So I just wanted to add that what I'm doing here is spraying all the stains that I see with this Resolve spray to loosen up the stains. I just let it sit and then finally use my carpet cleaner to clean it all up. It works every time. And I did think about putting a rug down, but I mean, what's the point when I already have carpet over here? I just hate carpet. Seriously, military housing needs to get it together and stop putting carpet. It's just nasty. Just stop.
Why you gotta be so hard? Sitting thinking in my car. I don't know what we should do. Do you? Do you? You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, my name is Diane. Nice to meet you. And if you liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit that notification button for more upcoming content. See you soon, guys. Bye.